And welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today in this video I will do the week 3 programming assignment of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithm using Java. So this is the programming assignment and we have to write the code. Okay. So coming to the code directly. So this is the code. Okay, you can copy the code from here or I will give the code in my description. Okay, so you can copy it from there. Now after writing this code, you have to click save as draft, then you have to click compile and run. Then after clicking compile and run, you will see there here compilation is passed, public test cases 9 by 9 passed. Okay, then you have to click this submit. So now when you click submit, then you will see that all the private test cases used for evaluation status is passed. Okay, so all the 12 test cases are passed. So thank you. If you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will provide all the assignment of this course in this channel. Thank you.